ready to make your own carnival game? First, make sure to read the instructions located here or here. When you see a box like this, make sure to click to expand it to show extra information or hints on what to do. Read all the way to the end. When you get to the bottom, click Next to see the next step. Press the back button up here if you need to return to an earlier step. When you see highlighted block titles in the instructions, you can click them to open the toolbox automatically. When you're ready to start coding, look for the toolbox located here that will contain all the blocks you need to drag into the workspace to create your game. Don't forget to use the game window to play and test as you go. Click this button to see your game on a bigger screen and this one to shrink back. This button will mute or unmute game sounds. And that's it. That's all the information you need to make your very own carnival game. Let's get going.